Welcome back to a brand new video in this series where I am, having full transparency. I am building a dropshipping store with focus on brand swimwear, Bali babes. This video in this series, remember to watch all of the other series as well. The link to the playlist is in the description down below, or you can watch them probably to your right side of this video. Jumping in this video, we're going to talk about the different essentials of apps that you should install into your dropshipping store so we're able to generate more sales, generate a high conversion rate, stuff like that, a higher average order value as well. So you can see right here on my screen that the first app that we're going to import, and which is basically the app that we're going to use to source our products from AliExpress. There's some different tactics and techniques to do this. We might go ahead and choose something called Spocket later on to have only US suppliers, but to start off with, I think I'm going to start off in the United States and Australia. Those two countries are going to be our main markets in the beginning. Also, in terms of influencers, we're going to use influencers from Australia and from the United States, sold in part of the United States, because there's already warm and people are starting to buy more bikinis there compared to New York, for example. So moving on, first app that we're going to add is 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔. The way that you are adding apps to your dropshipping store or Shopify store or whatever is you can either just Google Shopify App Store, or you can press this Visit Shopify App Store right under apps right here. Boom. You'll be taken to the whole app store for Shopify. You then type in 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔. You add 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔. As you can see, I've already added 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔 right here. Pretty basic. 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔 has their own products as well that they're sourcing, but I would recommend to use AliExpress. That's what I prefer. Or if you want to use only United States supplies, you can use something like Spocket or something else like that. But moving on, we are going to use 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔 in the beginning right here, so it's going to be easier for me to show you guys the different things to do. So 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔, like that, is the app that we're going to use. The next app is called 𝑏uildify. And what 𝑏uildify does is that we're able to edit product descriptions in a very beautiful and aesthetic way. So the products or the ads that we are running directly to specific product pages, we want to edit those landing pages. It's basically a landing page, and create a very great and intuitive landing page for those products. And for the filler bikinis or swimsuits or whatever, we're just going to create a standard product description. But one of the other videos will be about product descriptions, so you guys can either watch that now or just wait till you get to that video. But we're going to add 𝑏uildify to our store. I've been talking about this on my channel for like 2 years now or something. It's just an app I always use, and I really enjoy using it and working with it on the store. So we're gonna add that. So you basically just want to press the add app, and then it will add it to your store. You're gonna press the install app, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. So this specific one will just be about the different apps that you want to add, and I might jump into some of them. The next one, I just have a list right here. The next one is going to be Vitals, which is this is going to save you a lot of money. Some of our other stores, I've split the different apps into specific apps. These Vitals plus 40 apps in one, you get a lot of different apps in one app, and you save a lot of money. As you can see, they have 211 5-star reviews as well, because it's just an app that is just really booming right now, because you get a lot of value for money. So I would definitely recommend for you guys to add that, because you get a lot of different features in this app that will really help you guys to improve different things in your store, and you guys can play around with it as well. The importance is just that you don't have too many apps, and you don't really want to slow down your site based on the amount of apps or things that you've accepted on your store. You do also get a 7-day free trial for this specific app, right? So that's pretty cool. So you just want to say start free trial. That was for the 𝑏uildify, and for Vitals as well. You can see you have all of these different things. I might make a video later on where I go through the different things, but otherwise than that, there are some different things that we want to really activate through Vitals. But that was Vitals. Then we need a review app, so you can get reviews on your product page. Moving on to what you want to type in reviews, and then you want to use this specific one, add the reviews, product reviews. It's just the one that in my opinion, that looks the best and the easiest to import. You can use the one called 𝑙oox as well, 𝑙oox. That looks pretty cool as well. It's just really, it takes longer time to import the reviews from AliExpress directly to the product page. So you want to add this app as well, like that. The next one is going to be Sales Pop, which is pretty easy. You just type in sales, can't even spell, sales pop, this one, and then we want SMS Bump. This app specifically is abandoned cart. So when people abandon their cart, you are able to send them an SMS to inform them about it. So this has huge ROI as well, and I do enjoy using it a lot. So I always import that into the store. And the last one will be LimeSpot. We're gonna test with that. It's a great app as well. It sort of like helps with increasing the average order value on your store. You guys can play around with these or Google them, or you might be able to find other YouTube videos which really is sort of like explains on each of them. Otherwise there will be, you know, 10-minute videos for each app, which would be a bit complicated, right? So I'm just gonna choose the Pro plan for this one. But that was basically all the different apps you guys need to import. In some of the following videos, I might jump into them and show you the different editing in them. If you guys want, remember to write that in the comments down below. Go ahead and tell me which of these apps you want me to walk you guys through if you're unsure how to use them. But these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different apps that I often import into the store. It's basically the starting app. You guys can import the specific ones that you of course want to, but I really enjoy these different apps, and I do feel that they really increase the look of the store, the average order value, and all these different things that really ties into creating the perfect store, right? If you guys are unsure how to use these different apps, let me know in the comments down below, and I will make a video for you guys to explain the different ones. Otherwise, remember to watch the next videos in this series. The next videos will be going over how to really find the right suppliers, how to find the right products, and how to import products into your store. So I'll see you guys in the next video.